Welcome to the channel. Alright, in this video we're going to do a special FSD beta test, and what we're going to do is hit the brake. And this is my coworker who's never used FSD before. We're going to have his first initial reactions to see how it works. So we're going to start it off here in the park position, so let go of the brake. So the car is going to drive by itself, so be prepared. Ready? Here we go. Let go of the brake.
Yeah.
All right, ready? So you got to keep your hands off your cell phone.
Yeah.
Put your cell phone away, and you're gonna let the car drive itself. All right. So what it's gonna do is gonna cross over this intersection here.
How's it gonna cross?
It has cameras, so it's able to see everything, and it's gonna get us all the way to the 7-Eleven here. So put your cell phone away because it has. Yeah, you gotta keep it out. Got to keep your hands free, just in case anything happens. Then you got to take over. But I don't think anything's gonna happen, so we're just gonna see, you know, how it does. So we're gonna look to make a left here at the stop sign, and then gonna turn back around and go back to the parking lot.
Oh, that's it. Okay, very cool.
Yeah. So look how it indicated for you by itself.
Oh, that's excellent, dude.
And it's slowed down.
Very cool.
What do you think?
It's excellent.
All right, check it out. We're gonna make a left here now.
Oh, watch out, there's cars. What about that?
Oh no! See, it saw the car, decided to wait.
Well, this other car is coming too.
Let's see if it decided to go. It decided to go. Now let's see. It's gonna continue, or let's see. What do you think about that?
Very cool. Very, very nice.
Is that your first time ever sitting in a autonomous car? So now look, it's making a mistake. It's trying to get into this left. Actually, this is not a mistake. This is where I made it turn. So now what we're gonna do is, watch this. I'm gonna end trip, and then make it go back here. So let's see if we can now get it to go back to where we were. So yeah, check this out.
Oh, very, very cool.
So far, have you done anything?
I haven't done anything.
You didn't touch any button?
I haven't touched
steering
anything.
Wheel, brake, accelerator, nothing, right?
No, I haven't.
The car is doing it all on its own.
Yeah, very cool it is.
Yeah, so just, you always got to be ready. You know, there's a chance it can, you know, make a mistake and you have to take over. But there's, you know, a good chance that it can figure it out on its own. So look at that. Perfect timing, it went.
Yeah.
Right?
Very, very cool.
What do you think about that?
It's excellent.
Alright, so look at this. Now we got a bike lane, so it needs to merge. Did a really good job merging.
Wow.
It's funny because I'm never in the passenger seat. I'm actually just wanting to let you experience this.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Here we go with the right turn.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try to cross an intersection coming up here, but it does a really good job around Ridgetop. I have to say, it's nailed these roads really well.
It's doing a very good job.
Not even one takeover or input or accelerator press.
It's doing a great job.
For the driver over here. This is his first time experiencing FSD or any autonomous car driving himself.
I think it's an awesome feature. It's really cool.
Unbelievable, right?
It is unbelievable, yeah.
Yeah, think about maybe one day blind people can drive. Disabled people can drive. Who knows what this can unleash one day.
Yeah, I think the future is going to be
autonomous.
Yeah, it's going to be
autonomous, in my opinion.
Yeah,
I see it before my eyes.
Everything is going to be automatic.
Look how busy this intersection is, right? And look at it scanning.
Yeah.
It's scanning. It's waiting for it to go.
Yeah.
Now look, it went.
Wow, everything is going to be automatic in the future. Yeah.
How amazing is that, right?
Very, very
pulled
cool.
right back into the parking lot.
Very
and look,
nice.
It doesn't even hesitate here. It decided to go
this way.
Wow,
that is awesome.
Unbelievable, right?
Yeah, and now it's going to park?
So right now it's just going to figure out, it's just going to go in circles. Yeah, it'll probably circle around, so that's where we're going to cut the video. I want to thank everyone for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Get out there and try to make this happen for yourself and test out FSD. Look, we got people in the way too. Look, it can recognize the people and it goes around them too. And yeah, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks again for watching. Look, it did park itself. Or whatever it did, it just did something. Anyways, we got to park back in the front. So thanks again for watching and have a great day.